Hey guys, welcome to the channel once again. How's everybody doing? Today we are working, we're doing some work on the Grizzly 90. Right now I'm just preparing everything because my son is inside and he's gonna come help me once he's finished doing his homework. Today we're gonna do, like I said, some maintenance, and we're gonna start. I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do. First of all, what we need to do is check the oil. I already did. I already checked the oil, the engine oil and the transmission oil. I already did that because I did the oil change and transmission oil change in January. Okay, so that's all right. That's good. Next, what we're gonna do is I got some things that we won't be able to do today, but I'm gonna show you. This is like a 3-month service. We're gonna change the spark plug once it gets here because I already ordered it, but it's not here yet. We also gonna change the air filter. It's not here yet, so those two things we're gonna do next time. What we're gonna do today, we are going to adjust the rear brake, and we're going to try to adjust the front brake, and we're gonna grease the we're gonna grease the what will you call this, the you know, where the A arms. We're gonna grease the A arms. I got the grease gun right here, ready to go. Well, not ready to go, but we're gonna put some grease in it. And yeah, we're gonna grease here. We're gonna have to take this the front tires because we have a grease point right here, and we have 2 right here, and we have another 2 right back there. I'm gonna add some grease right here on this is this a ball joint? I'm gonna add some grease right here because I see some corrosion right here. We're just gonna add some lithium grease. What else we're gonna do? I think that's pretty much it for right now. Okay, so you see the grease point right here. We're gonna have to take the tire because I won't be able to get to that grease point with this tip of the grease gun. So that's what we're gonna do today. And once my son gets here, then I ask him to say some words about the Grizzly 90. We're having a lot of fun. Next time we're gonna change the oil. It's gonna be the same time we're gonna change the oil on the Kodiak 450. So like I say every time, if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you can see how clean it looks, it's because we washed them yesterday. Okay, so yeah, you can see the engine right there, the carburetor right there. And yeah, we're gonna do that right now. We're going to do some maintenance on the Grizzly 90. Thank you for watching, guys, and yeah, like I say, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let's go to do that. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do, guys, we're going to remove the tires. I already loosed the bolts in the floor, so it'd be easy for you guys to do these before you put them up, because then it's gonna like the tire's gonna spin. So we're gonna take the tires off so we can grease that point. We can grease the points behind the tires, right? So here's Emmanuel Jr. right now. He's gonna help me.
Hello?
What are we doing, Junior?
So, you just told me we're gonna grease these parts, those little things.
Yeah, right here. This is 1. 2. We're gonna grease these 2 right here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 spots. Okay.
So.
Okay, so we're gonna do these ones first because I took the tires. So we could do this. Okay. All right, let's do this.
Yep.
You ready?
Yep.
Ready?
Let's go.
Okay, guys. So we have here the grease. This is a premium marine grease. Can you see it?
Yep. You got dip.
All right, and here we got the grease gun.
Yep.
Okay, and we also have the little tube, and we have the top of the grease gun. So go back a little bit. So what we're gonna do is like we're going to take this off. You see?
Goodbye.
All right, and then we're gonna put these right here. This is the grease right there.
Hold on. Let me just check. Yep, it is.
All right, so you can see it.
Yep.
All right,
Yep.
so
I can see it.
we're gonna put it right here. All right, you see? Now we're gonna open this like this. Whoa.
Whoa.
See this grease right there?
Look at all that grease. Hold on, I want to see them.
Right.
Whoa!
Then we're gonna close these right here, like this.
But how is it gonna fire the grease?
You'll see. It doesn't fire.
Then what does it do?
You'll see. All right, so we're gonna finish putting these up together, and then we'll show you. Okay, guys, so we're ready to put some grease on here.
Let's go.
All right, so first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna put this right here, right there. We're gonna put this right here, like this.
Let's see the magic.
All right, so we're gonna wait until it come out. So we're trying to make this work because it wasn't working. I mean, it didn't work. Like Junior say, I waste my money. What do you say?
You wasted your money for nothing.
Yeah. But we're trying to see if it's working now. And it looked like it's working, right?
Yep. We thought that it didn't work at first in the first one, but it did actually. It's just we thought it was not working. So now here it is.
Hold on. We're gonna continue trying to make this work, and then if it works, then we will show you when we finish. Okay?
Yep.
All right, pass. Okay, guys. So it was pretty hard. I had to make it work, but finally we make it work. You see, there's grease right here, extra grease. We're gonna do some cleanup right now. Right here, if you can see, right there, there's some grease right there on top, and then on the bottom too, right here on the side, that's extra grease that come out whenever you put the grease, the new grease. The other grease come out, you know, like the whatever is left in there. It wasn't that much left, so yeah. And then we did the other side too, this side right here. So we need to put the cover right here. We're gonna do some cleanup first. We're gonna put the cover, and then we did the other this side too. Let me see if I can show it to you. Right, okay, right here. This one right here. Those two right there, and
Yeah.
oh my God, I can't. Okay, those two right there. You can see them right there. So 2, 4, 6. Okay, guys. So next thing we're gonna do, we're going to adjust the rear brake. As you can see, let me show you. Record right here. Okay, a little bit back, please. There you go. If you can see, this brake is not. We need to adjust it. Okay. So how we're gonna do it? You come over here. Right here. You see this right here? Okay. So
I see it.
this one is really easy. You just need to screw it in, and we're going to almost screw it in all the way in because we don't have too many brakes anymore on this.
Grizzly 90.
On the Grizzly 90 because we've been using it too much, right?
Yep.
Okay, so
And just for the people that do not know what's the Grizzly 90, go to the Yamaha Grizzly 90 2022 overview. We sent it out like a few months ago.
okay, so if you can see right here, we're gonna do one more. I think one more. We can do one more. Okay, we did one more. I think that's good. Let me see if I can do one more. There it is.
Let's see.
I don't think I can do one more because it's too hard right there. Okay, so
It's good?
this brake is gonna need replaced soon. So if you can see, let's check it out now.
Okay.
So that way, these
Okay.
brakes is gonna need replaced soon. Oh, it's too much. You see, it's too much. So let me get a little bit less.
Hold on.
Okay.
Okay.
1,
Okay.
2, 3,
4, 5.
4, 5, 6. Let's do 8, 10, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay.
Let me
Let's
check
see.
it out now.
No. Okay. Let me try. Let me test it.
You try.
Is it good?
It looks like it's good. Let me see. Okay, a little bit less. 1, 2, 3, maybe 4, maybe 5. Okay, let's see now.
Okay.
No, we need to tie it a little bit more.
Okay.
1.
I'm gonna be up here, just doing this.
Okay, right there.
You ready?
Yeah. Let me see. A little bit more. And 3.
Okay. Let's see.
Let me see. Okay, now it's good.
What about?
As you can see,
What about the gasoline?
this is a good. That's not the gasoline. That's the throttle.
Yeah.
But the throttle, we're not gonna mess with the throttle right now.
So
we're gonna, this one right here, as you can see, it needs
adjusting.
It needs adjusting.
It too.
But let me check the brakes right here. So as you can see, these are like drum brakes right here on the tires. So what we're gonna do is, like, we're not gonna open these yet. What we're gonna do is, like, we're gonna put a little bit more pressure on the brakes. We're gonna use them maybe another 3 more months, and then we're gonna replace them.
Or which 3 more months. It's April.
So we're gonna adjust a little bit right here. As you can see, we're gonna loose this nut right here, and then we're gonna tie this like kind of like a screws, and I think that's gonna make it. So let me do that, and then I show you how it looks. Okay. All right.
It's gonna be all this one.
Okay, guys. We're going to clear that you don't have to remove the tires to do this. I just realized move the handle that way. I just realized that if you move the handle, there you go. This grease nipple right here is this nipple right here. The grease nipple is
won't move.
It won't move. It's open. And if you do the other side, that one will be available. But at the end of the day, if you take the wheels and tires, then it will be easy to do it, because you gotta, you
got more space.
You got more space. Okay, cool. Let's get it down now and let's try it out.
Okay, let's see. Okay, we're gonna test out all the things that we just adjusted.
Okay, cool. Hold on. Okay, so we're going to let Junior try the Grizzly 90 right after we grease the points, and yeah, we adjust a little bit. We adjust the brakes a little bit. Go ahead.
Ready?
Yeah. Yeah, go back. No, go back. Okay. This doesn't look that good at this time, but yeah, go ahead. Alright, so we barely finished. It's really late. What time is it? Like around 8?
You can check in your phone.
Okay, so thank you for watching, guys. Next time we're gonna do the oil change and the transmission fluid. We're gonna change the spark plug, and we're gonna change the air filter. Okay.
Wait,
so
hold up.
so you wanna say bye?
Bye, guys, and remember, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you guys can know what upcoming videos like this one.
All right. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next time.
Okay.